Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video, guys. We are back with amazing and sick, amazing video what you guys ever saw in your entire life. So before we ever get into that, interacting and all of that stuff, just remember to do this stuff. Remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification, and remember to give the video a big thumbs up. And so, without further ado, let's get into this video. So today's video, we are going to react to YouTubers TikTok. So how it's gonna work is, if I just say R or we're just going to react to this 1 out of 10. We'll say how cute that TikTok is. And so yeah, so let's react to the first TikTok. The first TikTok is Rebecca Samolo. So let's watch the TikTok. Yeah, 3 months ago she was pregnant, but how to get you pregnant? How to get a baby, such a cute and adorable baby. But how? That is, I'm out of my words for that one. I'm out of my words. How did you wonder what your parents do when you were a baby and you were still sleeping? But this video can explain everything, because I can't even talk about it, because you always wonder, if you sleep, what is your parents doing when you are sleeping? But I don't say, but how did I get a pillow over their head and draw smiley faces? But they were very, very creative with this TikTok, because you always wonder what your parents does when you sleep. So yeah, I know how that must feel. Did you wonder, right? Did you always wonder your rainbow baby, how it will come out? But they did a TikTok about that, what is actually very, very creative. They said, baby is the cutest thing. I will react to this TikTok a 9 out of 10, because this is the cutest TikTok what I ever saw in my life. So that was the creative TikTok what I ever saw. Did you ever play Squid Game in real life? But this video will explain everything, because you know when you play red light or green light, right? Then you always wonder what happen if you do red light. So this video will tell you everything. But remember when they say red light, you need to stand still. But there's 2 goals. What this moving, when there's music playing, when they get shown, and when they do know they're not allowed to move. So that one is the most embarrassing TikTok that I ever saw, because you know when it's red light you need to stand still. You're not allowed to move, or else you are out of the game. So did you always wonder how lucky there was someone on top of your back with a TikTok trend? But this one went far. This one had 2 million views on TikTok, what is actually trending by far. So I try and Farah did a TikTok video how they can see how, because Farah was the top of Andrea's bed, and I tried to see how low can Andrea go with Farah on her back. So this TikTok we can play now is, it's how low can Andrea go with Farah on his back, but he is flexing his muscles. He doesn't even so strong, but the strongest was Andrea because, well, I don't know why he's fixing his muscle because Andrea's the strongest one. So, yeah, I don't know why he's fixing his muscles for. Did you ever did a TikTok challenge, right? Where the TikTok challenge strength is going out of the earth, right? When everyone's trying to do it, but that's what Ferran was doing that challenge, right? And Andrea did it. She just did it for 2 seconds and Ferran did the whole thing. And that was so embarrassing because Ferran did not know what to do, so let's replay it. So yeah, Ferran did not know what he was doing. He just did Ferran and Ali laughed, and I did also laugh at it because it's funny because how can you let your kid do it but you're not doing it? How does that make sense? Did you always wonder how girls get in a car? But this video, what I'm gonna play now, is the exact thing to a girls, and you know, this one is true. Comment down below if this is true or not. Because that's why it's very true, because girls does climb in a car like this. Because, you know, girls always do their makeup inside the car and hurry when they need to drive, and you know it's true where Matt tried to create that TikTok, how does girls climb in the car, but you know it's very true, because you know we've seen a lot of girls in our future or our lives right now, how they are climbing inside of a car, so we know that is true. Just comment down below if it's true or not, because for my opinion, I need to say it's true. Did you always wonder what's going inside their head, or instead of a suitcase? But this girl is very, very flexible, but she can fit inside a suitcase, but how does she do that? So I can play it now. But how does she fit inside a suitcase? Are you serious? How does she fit inside a suitcase? Because I'm not so flexible and I can't fit in anything because I'm growing. But this girl, what I say, a lot of girls are flexible because girls are really like Sophie Darcy are very, very flexible. I don't know what's up with girls with flexibilities. Today I take it they were way far out. I know we all love to scare everyone very, very bad, right? But this TikTok way too far. She got very scared because he was behind to see, I still don't know what's there or did I see the phone. If I was her, I would see the phone straight away. I was scared, but she's scared so bad. Just watch. Like, she did not even notice you was there. Just see how she screamed like that. It's how. Do you not see the phone? But how? Did you always do a challenge, right? But you need 4 people. This TikTok went way far how you think it went. It's a tiki tiki cha cha ma ma ma. It's that kind of challenge, right? You need 4 people, but it went way far. But this TikTok went over the internet. Let's see this tell you the internet. La la cha cha cha. I cannot believe that challenge. That challenge went over the internet. Just watch this video. Because if you can see, how are you creating that type of TikTok with that type of clothes? Just no. How could you do it? No. Did you get your argument from to your mom, or you and your sister get in an argument and you see how your best friend or your mom and your dad react? But this TikTok did a great argument, because it was a sister and a brother argument from a best friend. So let's just watch it.
How's it like?
Because I would say I never did such an argument in my entire life in front of anyone, because I just scared to do it. So we're just watching it right now to see how far did this TikTok went.
We were here for like only 1 minute, Lexi.
This TikTok went way far.
You are.
Because how you couldn't front your best friend when you try to film something and you tell your friend, come to my car, I want to film something. But this TikTok went over a milestone. Because how you couldn't do your best friend with your best friend and they tell them, oh no, it was a prank. And it was for a TikTok, but how could you tell your best friend that this to see their reaction? That's no. I will never, ever do it. No. That you always need to know the lyrics for a song before you record. So this one is worth a pull. This one is sing or swim. But if you get the song right, then you sing it. But if you do not know the song, if you do not sing it right, then you sing the wrong lyrics after listening to that song for 5 seconds, and you do not say the right lyrics for it, then you swim. So let's just watch this video.
Sing or swim.
Because it is sing or swim. But with difficult and easy songs, because I need to study it for 1 minute or probably for 2 hours to know the lyrics, because I cannot know the lyrics so well, because who knows the lyrics so well, and you always need to know for how long did I study that lyrics for. Or you probably know they probably listen to the song in their car when they go somewhere. You never know. So this one went way too far. Of course, I'm not even know. I will go to swimming pool like 10 times if I do get it wrong, because I don't know the lyrics or to any song. I just study it for 10 hours. Are you scared for haunting houses or haunting like clouds? Are you scared for clouds? Are you scared for ghosts or snake? But I was very, very scared about this TikTok, because Rivera, they don't even notice. Rivera take the clouds is sitting like, yeah, like that. And Nurse Lady did a dot to the clown, did the same dot that he did, and he got scared very, very easily. So let you watch it. Because you can see, because he did the same exact thing, and then Brandon said, do not come back there ever again, because it is hot. You don't want to go there. Not even one. I do not want to go there, because it is terrifying. Do not go there. I will tell you one thing. Do not go there. Don't. Because you will screw your pants off. Do not. Do you always wonder up house a real life? But what you just need to do is get a small house, like a doll house, like a Barbie house. Then just buy that and just buy like 50 or 100 balloons and tie them to the house and then you have your own outhouse where you can float up in the air. You don't have to be in it. You can just make your house floating up the air. Do you have an up house in real life? So let's see watch this TikTok video, but Bray Rivera up house. So the up house magically disappear and is guarded, but it's just a small house. Not even 2 persons can fit in there, only one, because like it's a children house for like where children is like 5 or 6 years old. So that's for that type of children, not for adults or teenagers even like me. So yeah, that's all you have to do is about 50 or 100 balloons and buy a Barbie house. Then it's started 100 balloons onto your Barbie house. You have an outhouse in real life. Do you have 200 candles in your house and then light them up, then do a challenge with it? But this one is with candles and money. But if you get that amount of money, then you can keep that amount. But it's with candles. So Ben Aslot and Don Bragg and Jeremy Hansen and Ben Rivera, they all tried to do this challenge, but and do you have the brave what it takes? So let me watch it now, but do you have the brave to do it? Let me watch it. But you need to breathe very hard and then breathe very fast out to get that amount of money. But they are very, very, very good. I'm not gonna lie. They are very, very good. Did you ever tell your friends to do a trick or you need 2 friends for this video? So you need 2 friends to do a circle, but you want to prank them. You're not just gonna jump through that circle, but like you're gonna push them in. So this was Ben Aslot that with Pearson and Lexi Rivera. Ben Aslot pushed them in because they actually think, because Ben Aslot sent him a message. He did this video for his YouTube. So then he tried to do this. He messaged them, can you please come here to help me with a trick? And they did a circle with their hands. But it was a prank because he pushed them inside the pool. Just watch. You know what I mean. Let's watch it. But Ben Aslot told him to do a circle to jump through it. And he said he had what it takes because he loved to do stunts. And he's walking up and do jumping jack. And then the prank began. They were all in the water soaking wet, but they did not know that prank went too far because they got very, very mad. If you want to check that full video, go to Ben Aslot channel to check that one out. It was hilarious. They got so mad. Thank you all for watching today's YouTube video. Or thank you to my followers on Facebook and on Instagram for helping me to find today's YouTube videos, and all the people today on WhatsApp to help me to figure out a YouTube video for today and to upload it today. So yeah, thank you all for today's YouTube video. I do appreciate it for taking your time to help me think of a YouTube video. So yeah, take it all. Just before we end the video, just remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification and subscribe to my short channel. We'll put the link down in the description. Subscribe to my short channel, and yeah, that's all for do. Just remember to give the video a big thumbs up after you subscribe, turn on the post notification. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week Saturday for more videos. So yeah,
Dis die reuk in jou klere, dis kan middernag. Dis die manne se stories, oor die dag se jag.